off to a bad start. I'm on public land, so you kind of figured it happened, but somebody in my spot. So now I gotta go find a whole new place. See what we can do here. Maybe there ain't nobody in here, which I doubt it. But we're gonna give her a go. See what happens. I seen some turkeys over here last time. Me and George come over here. We seen a couple like crossing the road and a bunch of tracks. So I'm gonna try. Hopefully won't get shot by somebody, but and there's a truck. Well, not here either. Golly. Always so. I want to get on a turkey, man. I want me a turkey. Turkey. I guess we're going to another spot. There's probably going to be people there too. So, get a little mud bog in there, son. Woo-hoo! Oh, shit. Woo! Get her, son. Eat, Pearl. That's eat, baby. Woo! Get a little turkey season next time. You know what I'm saying, boy? You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Oh, shit. Slow down. Excuse my language. Oh, we got some more. Got some more coming. Hope I don't freaking get. Oh, shit, son. Holy shit. That's a big ass freaking hole. Probably about to have to lock her in 4-wheel drive. Kill on mud hay. Hoping that freaking break anything. Cause that was a freaking deep ass hole, son. Oh, gotta put her in. Let's put her in reverse. See what she does first. Ooh, there's just people everywhere, bro. I figured not many people would be back here since that big old hole I just come through. But I don't know. I guess they got 4-wheel drive. Well, yeah, I got to do that with 2-wheel drive. Thought we would have had this whole piece to ourselves, but guess not. Ain't nobody on this. We're gonna go get set up. Try her, probably ain't about to get nothing, but you never know. Alright, change of plan. I ain't about to sit in that spot because I ain't ever been on this side. So I'm just gonna call and scout this area, I guess you'd say. See what's out here. So, let's go. Well, somebody just got on one. This freaking shot right over here beside me. I'm what the freak, dude. Where you parked at? Golly, man. Always something. Tracks. Right here. Got it. Tom right there. It looks like he might be, well, looks like he might be by himself. It looks fresh. Because there's tracks, or car tracks going over it. And it just happened. But that's better than no sign, hell. Got one coming down the road. Them are fresh too. Because they're tire tracks and they come right across them. One, the tracks I just found. He just did it again. He's back in there. He just gobbled like 5 times. We're gonna go set up. Maybe we can get him to come this way. He just did it again. Right in there. Sounds pretty far away though. We got the river straight back. So. He just did it again. I guess I don't know. I don't know. This is on my second season of turkey hunt. So I guess I'm gonna walk in. He's a little ways off. So I'm gonna walk in there and set up somewhere a little closer. So we may get one. Hell, You never know. There's like an old little road that goes back there, so I'm gonna sit up on it. We got some dollar pines. See him over there? I guarantee he's over there, so I'm gonna walk over there and set up somewhere in those pines. I guess we're gonna sit somewhere. There's a big pine tree right there. Hell, they probably roosting in it. So I'm gonna sit right there and get him to come in. He went quiet. I don't know, I'll probably bring him off. Who knows, this is probably my, I don't know, beginner's thing, just run him off. So, we're gonna sit here and for an hour and see what happens. If not, I gotta go because we got prom this afternoon. So, yeah. Well, before I sat down, he gobbled again. He's way off though. But, first day of turkey season, you're gonna do what it takes. So, I'm about to hog tail back over there to him. I got a good idea where he's at now. He's probably grouped up with a bunch of hens, but I don't care. I don't care. We're gonna try something. I'm excited, boy. Let's get it, dude. It felt like, or it sounded like he was back on this road that I'm on. I'm gonna look on the map and see where this road goes to. It sounds like he's right off the edge of it or something, but yeah. Our guys will always set up. Probably about 100 yards from where we last were. Got another little bottom rise right here. I feel like I heard him last. It's over in this area, so I'm sitting and call a little bit. See if anything shows up. Probably not, but I don't know. Just rather be out in the woods than be at the house. Well, they just gobbled again. Straight back into there. I don't know, I think he's ganned up, but he ain't really responding. It seems like he's getting further away too, so I don't know. Maybe he'll come back here in the morning. I don't know. But I don't even know if I want to mess with him. At least we heard a gobble this morning. So, better than nothing, I guess. Guess we're gonna head back to the truck and get ready for prom. Well, still fun. I feel like I got to get on something anyway, so I ain't been turkey hunting too long, so we still learning. Good old Pearl, she is a nasty, nasty girl. I hope it ain't freaking breaking anything. Old hunting trip, baby. Yes, sir. Let's go get a little bit more muddy. I think I did mess something up. My steering wheel ain't supposed to be like that to go straight. See, look, if I point it straight. Oh, shit. Yeah. Something's messed up with the alignment, but it'll be alright. Now, here's that hole I hit. I don't know, I was going pretty freaking fast to go through it. So look at that jump. Yeah, I think I bent something under there. Dude. It's coming down that hill and then wham! Hit the shit out of it. I don't know. No bueno. We're stucker and Chuck, son.
Yeah. Little freaking soupy, eh, man? Yeah. Ain't no getting out of that. No, ma'am. It's just a straight bowl right there, son. I thought it had it, but it's going back up a hill. And it just stops right there. Yeah. No bueno, son. No freaking bueno. I mean, look at this stuff, man. Shit, boy, my carpet going. Look. Straight greasy dog shit. Woo! She ain't liking that. Look. Yeah, I'm afraid there's no getting out of that. So, just gonna wait for her daddy to come and pull me out. Didn't expect this to happen, so. Hopefully, we can make it to prom by the end of the freaking day. Cause I still gotta get dressed, clean my truck. Oh shit, I gotta clean my truck, all that. Yeah. Maybe we'll make it. Golly, bro. Look at that. Oh, shoot. That's like that oatmeal or something. All alone, no one here beside me. So lonely. Picked the side of the road, nobody's gone. Yeah. Looks like I'm gonna be a freaking while before my dad gets here. So might as well go on ahead and package for him, man. He's gonna have to freaking back just about all the way down the freaking road. That long son of a bean. Golly. It's an eventful freaking weekend, son. I tell you. Yeah. This is fun though. I love it. Go ahead and pack for him. First one of the morning. Dang, man. When I get out of here, the freaking gas station ain't gonna have no biscuits. That's best. That's the whole part I like of hunting. Getting up, going to the woods, come back, getting a biscuit and some coffee. Yeah, late, man. I love it though. This is a fun day. This just made my whole day, really. Will we make it to prom? Who knows? Got old Snag coming to rescue. And lock the hood in just in case. We're coming, Pearl. Pops come to the rescue. That dug out a little bit, still won't move nowhere, so we're about to hook it up. Hopefully it gets it. Big nasty. Woo! Golly. Heck yeah. That's a freaking hole, son. Alright guys, we made it out. We're headed back to the house. Gotta get ready for prom, baby. We made it. Yes, sir. Alright guys, showtime for prom. Got the old Black Betty washed up and clean. We'll be back. Alright guys, we back. Looking fresh. Got the ready to go to prom. Half past the monkey's crack. Let's get it. Y'all like and subscribe. Thank you.